guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ego Trippin', and I'm back with another video. I am back with another freaking video. I am back with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. This month flew by so quick it don't make no sense. But I'm here with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April, and it comes with 6 full-size items. I don't know the price as usual, but I'll make sure to leave the information down below on the screen. I think it's like $27, $28, something like that. Y'all know I don't remember. I'm sorry. So, anywho, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April, then let's get on into it. Okay, so I didn't get my glam bag yet, but it's okay. It's coming. If I would have got it together, I would have done it together. But anyways, this is what I got from the cream shop. This is what I got from the with my points. I got these 2 masks I picked up because I like those. I'm starting to like masks, y'all. Can you freaking believe it? And then I got this little palette right here by Farrah, and it just looks so pretty. So those are what I got with some of my points. Anyhow, this is the bazag. Here's the bazag right here, okay? Cute little bag. This is really cute. I love the flowers and the daisies, and it is cute. I don't care about the bags, okay? I don't care about the bags. I care about what's in these bags. So let's hop on into these. Let's hop in this bag. Okay, so you guys do know they come with a theme every month, okay? And the theme for this month is keep growing, right there. And this is a card. They don't have anything. They don't have the products or anything inside the card. That is that. The first product we're gonna pull out the bazag is brushes, which I absolutely adore. These are absolutely adorable. And these brushes are by Farrah. Here they are right here. So stinking cute. I mean, how cute is that? These are the little sleeves that they come in, okay? These are so cute. Look. All right, so here they are right here. I'm trying to hold them so I can see them. So really cute. Okay, you have this right here. I don't know, blending brush, shading brush, I don't know. Really cute. This is like a nice foundation brush. This is pretty. These are really pretty. Very pretty. So these are the brushes right here. I always say use them for what you want, okay? Y'all know what to use. I don't know. Anyways, these are the brushes right here. Very cute, okay? That is our first item in the bag. Our second item in the bag is this right here. And this is by Hip Dot. And this is it says, what is this? I don't know. Is this a blush or eyeshadow palette? I don't know. I haven't looked at this one. I ripped it, y'all. It has, y'all, we don't care about that. Whatever. Anyways, it had the colors on the back. So this is called Sun Goddess, and it's by Hip Dot 4-Shade Face Palette. You're a sun goddess, even if you haven't spent time in the sun lately. Create the ultimate sun kiss with these for highlight. Okay, so they're highlighters. Pretty. These are pretty. It has a mirror right here. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, let's watch them. Why not? I don't know if y'all can see it. Very pretty. I kind of swatched it jacked up. My bad, y'all. So yeah, that's that. So I think that's pretty. This is it right here. This is the Sun Goddess 4-Shade palette right here. All right, the next item in the bizag is this golden hour. And I don't know if I picked this or they gave it to me. I can't remember. So this is by Beautiful Real. Okay. This is stunning. So there's the shades right there. And we're going to swatch a few. These look absolutely freaking beautiful. We definitely going to do this one. Go one right here, which is right there. I'm going to do it right here. Ooh. For real? Y'all coming like that? That's gorgeous. Y'all know I got to do this blue. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, that is beautiful. Are we gonna do this pink metallic shade right here? These are swatching so pretty. Look at that. I love that. I'm going in again with the second one, with that pink one. I don't know if that's, why is that not picking up? That's pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Y'all know I be addicted to swatching, okay? I be addicted to the swatching. Gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna go into this last shade right here. That's gorgeous. Ooh, that's pretty. Definitely buildable. That's so beautiful. You heard of it? I don't know. I looked for reviews. I found a couple of channels with it, but this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I've never heard of this. Did I hear? Yeah, I heard of Beauty for Real. Did I ever? I think so. I don't know. I think so. Anywho, that is that. Ipsy killing it. Ipsy killing it this month. All right, next we have the Sandbar Oasis right here. Now I looked for them and I couldn't find them nowhere. Okay, I couldn't find a review. I couldn't find them. I couldn't find this anywhere. For real, for real. So that is that. And we definitely finna swatch this because I looked at it, I was like, I don't know, but we finna go in and see what these, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not digging that. Real chalky, real chalky. Look at that, it's real chalky. I mean, I know swatches don't tell you everything, but I'm going back in a second time. So you can third time. And I'm gonna go back in a third time again with this white. I don't like that white. I don't really like this palette like that. I'm gonna try this color right here. Yeah, that's definitely, go back in. So there's the 3 shades right here, which I'm really not feeling. I don't like the feel of the formula, and it's real kick-uppy. I'm just not liking it. I'm not liking this little palette right here, but whatever. We're not gonna trip. We're not gonna trip. Okay, so this is the palette right here. And these are the 3 shades right here. And then the last item in the bag was what I chose. And it was the Rhodial Dragon's Blood Eye Gel right here. And you just take this off and then kind of like, scoop it up like that. Just a gel. Don't really have a smell to it, but yeah. So this is an eye cream. So yeah, that's it. That's the bag. Now, I think my most favorite product in the bag was definitely the brushes. I am in love with these brushes. I'm in love with the brushes. So that was a pretty okay bag. That was a, no, I can't say okay. That was a pretty dope bag. Let's go over everything we received in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. We received 4 brushes. Wouldn't be a video if I wouldn't drop something. So we received our 4 brushes by Farrah, which are really, really, really dope brushes. We received the Sandbar Oasis palette, which I really don't care for, but it's okay. Right there. We received our Golden Hour by Beauty For Real, which I absolutely love. These colors are so gorgeous, so beautiful, and they definitely show up, okay? They definitely show up. This is it right here. Wow. I am shook. I love that because I really didn't think that was gonna, I didn't think this was gonna be a good palette. So that is that. And then we have our blushes right here, or our highlighter. What do you call these? Highlight. They seem a little bit chalky to me, but whatever. We're gonna somehow make them work. So there's the blushes right there. I've never heard of, have I heard of him? Yeah, I heard of him. That. We're gonna make it work, honey. It's pretty. So I'm gonna use that orange one for a blush. So that is that. And then I think the last one was this right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, yeah, 5. Did we get 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, that's the bag. That is a bag, you guys. Let me know what you guys received in your Ipsy Plus bag for the month of April. And if you don't get a bag, that's okay. Let me know what items you would like to try out. And let me know what you think about this. And let me know what you think about this bag. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here with me and watching me unbag my boxes or my bags. And that is it. I'm out. Let me go. I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful night, evening, morning, wherever you may be. And thank you for tuning in to me and watching me unbox and bag all these goodies. So that is it. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe on your way out or in. Either way it go, it doesn't matter. I would love to have you join the little makeup addict squad over here because we love makeup, we love hair, we just love being pretty, okay? That is it for this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you beautiful people in my next video. I am ego tripping. I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye.